Hello guys, let's try to make a new prediction for next week. It's going to be very interesting and I will try to give you, as you can see on the chart, some strategy. I didn't test it, so disclaimer, if you do something on your own risk, don't believe what I say, check it, examine it, test it, simulate it, and if it goes well, good for you. I didn't test it, but seemed very nice to follow it because it gives me some indication what's going on. So let's start with the cues. This is much cleaner chart without the line. It here, this is all the lines. Don't worry, I'll save those for my day trading. Let's move the session 24 hours in the pre-market. And we talk about the pre-market, and you know what, let's send it back. Regular session. Let's try to make it very quick. Strategy. This is a super trend. I wrote some kind of super trend. It's not the exact classic one, but what you can see it here. Let's assume we are starting for here. We see downtrend. This is downtrend, clicking on the purple one. So this is high, this is lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then this is a higher high. So this is break of the trend. And where is the candle who broke the trend? This is candle who broke the trend. Usually, and please check it out, what will happen, and this is a big fast break of the trend. Usually what happens, the stock like to reach those area, and of course this is an area, this is not exact number, and from that start to buy again and hold it and see what happened to the volume. The volume moved up, the price moved up, the volume down, and then the volume, the price moved down, and the volume moved up, let's say flat. See what happened this place. From here, see what happened to the volume. Crazy, right? Lots of opening position of buy orders. Why? Because when they see the break, there was some pressure to break. They try to hold it. What happened? They failed. This is what happened. They see the failure and they immediately stopped. They didn't wait. They immediately, you see the volume, they immediately moved out, and this is what happened there. So they probably have some small position there. And what we sometimes is trying to do the price, try to reach there. So this is how it called resistance. And then to see what happens. If they will close all their position, then the price will continue the downtrend. Alright, so let's check what happened next. Moving down, moving down, moving down, moving down, moving down, moving down, break of the trend. So what we said can be, this is the candle which broke the trend. So this is the area the price like to be. So it can move here, then bounce, it can here, then bounce, it can spike down, move up. So what we're gonna see here, we're gonna see a low volume moving the price down, and then we're gonna see here a second attempt to move up the prices. Alright, so for next week, by this price section, you can see the volume moving down, and when it goes up, even it is a low volume. So this is accumulation phase. The price will move here and try to reach this place. So now let's check my algo. Not that good. Bigger time frame to reach to the 288. Oh my god. To reach to the 288, and there is a chance it can bounce several times, maybe 2 times. Maybe bounce to the 300, reach, bounce, and then move here again. A smaller time frame, reach to the 300 and bounce, and then reach to the 292, and then try to spike the 288, something like this, and break the buyers. There is a gap, and maybe on the opening of the week we will see it attempt to close the gap, which means we're gonna see moving up, close the gap, and then moving down. So be prepared. Just check the volume, because there is a small divergence of long continuation, but a weak one. So this is what can happen. Let's check here. What we see here, we are below 200, so we are still in a downtrend. You see the price action reach to this algo line, 313.84. You see try to break, failed, try to close, catch some buyers, and then failed. See it hold the 305. Oh my god. So this is distribution. See low volume and see what happened there. I think it will try to create a divergence. It will try to go lower, and then it will be something like this, and then go high and create, which means this price will fall, say here. This is the first divergence, and then the price rejected, then try to fall to the 288. Oh my god, here it, and then moved up. And this is a nice maybe we'll create, if it's something like this, head and shoulders, and then try to move up. Be very nice, but I don't know why, but I think the price action will try to reach even lower. I don't know why. If you price action to try to reach even to where it is, more or less, reach to the 280, which is a nice zone, hit here. But I think it will try to reach even lower, 260, even 250. Let me. Let's make the Fibonacci level here. Alright, now make it bigger. See what happened. This is the 50%, and this is the 61. So even if we are in a big downtrend and it's hurting us all, a good moving downside, which is only a reversal of the bigger time frame. This is the 4-hour chart. If I go daily more clearly, you know what? Let's go daily. Didn't save it. I don't have. Think. Let me check. Oh, right. Yes. Oh, here. This is it. All right. So when a stocks move up and try to make a reversal, there are 3 key area reverse by Fibonacci level. 38.20. This is one. What happened? Next one, 50. This is here, and this is perfect. Next one will be rejected and reach to the 61.8. And if we hold the 6180 and see what happened there, there is a nice price action here, and it holds. It then can move up, and how it will move up, be something like, if it will reach from here, it's nice, but see it here. Of course, this is the same, because you know, if it moving 6180, this is move up to the 6180, and this is very nice. It's the 100%. This is very nice for the longer term. This is a very long term, the daily. So I'm talking about another maybe year, but it can do so. So on the short term, why not see move even lower? You know, it will hurt a lot of people and portfolios, but start to accumulate stock. Dollar cost average, even though I don't like it, because in a day trade you never do that. Maybe in a small partial of it, but see what happened. Very nice number there. So this is the Qs. Very nice session, 24 hours. So why not to move down and then bring the buyers and move lower. If we go to the SPY, you're probably gonna see the same. With the SPY, you can see move down, a break, lots of volume here, and now you see they didn't move out yet. This is a lot of coming in volume. They moved out, closed their position, now maybe closing the rest, and we still don't have a break of an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Move up, up, up. We need it to be here. We need a red candle, which red candle here. And what will happen when it will be a green candle here? Then it will do something like this. This is a break of formation. Bring the price. Sorry. Wait. This is a break of formation. Where is the candle which broke it? Maybe this candle here. Price will move up, then move down. So let's check algo what is saying. So the Qs we talk. Let's check the SPYs. The SPYs can reach to the 405 first target, and later 400, and then the 395. There is a small chance to close the gap of the SPY. There is a gap. There is a small divergence of the upside, so it might close it and then move down. And so we are still on a downtrend. We can try to bounce from the 409, but if we break it, next target 406, try to bounce from there, I think it will fail. Then the target 398. So target checking here, and then see what happened, how it reacts to it. This is the zone. Failed to hold the zone like this, head and shoulder, failed forward to and hit. So it again. See, it reached the 38. Bounce from it. Next target. And this is to go. Let's like make it raise the 100. But if here not show it, so I think we're gonna reach here, and you see there is no correlation between spies. Use more volatile desktop. More volatile, it already reached to the 50. We can try to reach to this 1. Spy is first, so it would love to reach. And then stuff. Here, bar chart. Valorization. Regular. So we see the downtrend. We didn't break it. So those are the key targets. I still believe that we are in downtrend. Might close the gap down. SPY doesn't like gaps. There is a small gap here to be closed for 30. Will make me surprised because remember that my target last video was 421 and 470. All didn't reach my target. At the moment there is some sort of reversal which is happening. Could make a reversal to the gap, and then so I'm still bearish. For the daily, of course, it's something else. Intraday, sorry. Still bearish on the longer term. We are still on a downtrend at 200. Very nice, although it started to be a line here, but go free. We're gonna check it. The trend change here, but this is the reversal, the downtrend. I will want to 405 volts, just a small break to the downside. There is still a divergence here, but just gap down, open below the 405, break this pattern, and go. Then there is here a lot of space reach. This is why I think 300. What it was 6, 8, 398. 398. You will see it, try to reach there and try to hold it. So this is for the SPY. Let's move very quickly. Other stocks, post Tesla. See what happened with Tesla. Tesla broke the trend and now is moving to the upside, but needs to bring the buyers. So I think we'll try to move here to 688. Hold it, bring the buyers, and move up on the longer term. 659. There it is. 6. Yeah, almost there. 659, and then try to move up. You're on downtrend. There is a nice volume of selling pressure. Good. Push the stock lower. Bring the buyers back in. This is a break of the downtrend. Good. There is a lot of buying there. They built all the stock. And good area to bounce from. Right. So this is for Tesla. Moving to the downside and then try to upside. Will it break even lower? Be very careful with it, because if this one will not hold the 600, break. And if Tesla will break down, the market will break down. So be very careful. Let's go to MRNA. MRNA, see what happened there. Let's touch, moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, break. Stock like to reach this place. They attempt to reach this, where is the candle broke it. Almost touch it, and you see what happened. Downtrend, broke the downtrend. So this is a good area of accumulation, and MRNA very like to do so. Try to break the pattern, bring up. So a lot of short sellers caught up here. See, the price didn't. So MRNA for the longer term, I think trying to build up momentum on the upside between above the 150. This more secure. Break to 185, even 220. No, it's for the longer term, but can be very nice move upside. Managed to catch it. So this is MRNA. BA. With BA, what you can see here, downtrend, break of a downtrend again, moving to and it could continue. So I think eventually it will reach back to those areas, trying to bring the buys. There is no volume. Sometimes it's making a false break to the upside. Move lower again, bring the buys, and there is two positions. They took out all the buyers, make some profit, took out all the short sellers, make some profit, and they accumulate enough stocks to higher. We're still with BA. See it break the lower trend, try to move higher in an uptrend, but stochastic, it can do so, but eventually it falls. When it breaks, even try to reach to the 150, be a hard break, and then from there break if it holds the and this will move up. If it's something like this, hold it. Let's say it's all this, there will be a divergence because move much lower and long continuation, which is a good sign for next E, something like this. So this is for BA. So you see a lot of stock can try to move up, close some gaps, make the SPY even close its gap, then move lower, bring the buyers. But this movement will not make it possible to buy and reach much lower levels. So we have to remember that, because the first long-term position was we are still moving down to 50, much lower, less on the SPY. So this is BA, MRNA. Now let's look at Facebook. What happened to Facebook? Much clearer. So big trend. I want to see this gap closed. So let's see what happened. Moving down. This is a break. So a lot of buying pressure here in this area, and see what happened. Break, hook, big move up, and sideways accumulation. This is a accumulation phase, which is good. So this is down. This is the break. So what happened? See, and the broke, touch it, bring the buyers. Now try to move up and see the volume, and let's see if it holds. If it holds, probably a lot of stop losses, 185, 184, and if it holds, and even break the 200 and try to higher. Don't check my algorithm, check on Facebook, but prepare for cryptos, Mara. But let's see what happened. Not that good. Still on a downtrend. Where is the bottom? Mara, where is the bottom? Mara, I don't know. Round number 8? Really don't know. But see it here. Volume started to be small. Nice. So let's see. I want to see a break. And because the 10 is alright. Big down. Not good. Check RIOT. Same goes with RIOT. Down. Oh, down. Then he moved to the upside. Started meaning up. So wait for it for the longer term, daily, intradays story. What else? What gold? What's going to happen with gold? Move down, break. Come on, there is a gap. Price try to reach here, but pre-post market. Already try to reach here. Try to make another attempt and then try to break higher, which will make the stock lower. But at the moment, if it's lower, the stock will be higher. So still some kind of low correlated, but remember, try to higher. And this is a nice zone of Beijing. Why not another chance to buy from 160, 105, then try to move up. This is only the reversal. And down, up. Try to bring the buyers and then try to move. Not that good for the stock market. What happened with oil stock? How they move very nice. So the 100, which is good. Still moving up. Patient, guys. Patient. Here's something. Yeah, not trend. There is no clear divergence. Patient upside. Every time they are taking a small chunk. Break, sell off. Break, sell off. Only one break, sell off. So careful with Oxy. I don't have much to say about it. And this is it. Bye. And good. I hope it will try to close it, even touch the 401 and then fall to 405, 400, and then have to see a continuation. If it holds, the buyers big volume. If there won't be big volume, to predict for 1 month, very difficult this place. This time, buyers come here, try tied all of them. This is the time to market up to secure some profit for all the investors, and big move up and even reach to the 450. So this is it, guys. Hope you like this, and subscribe, like, and follow. Next prediction. Thank you.